legal studies was critiquing inequities, but there were many scholars of color and other white ally scholars who were really critical of the fact that there was a limited racial analysis in the structural critiques. And so these scholars who had many deep roots in ethnic studies were able to start to theorize and critique the persistence of race and racism in structural oppression. And so thinking to like Cheryl Harris's Whiteness as Property and really pointing to the ways in which the laws, the policies, and the institutions in our country have all been designed to racialize in a way to protect the accumulation of white wealth. And so being able to understand that as a framework and have language to really name that allows us to better critique racial injustice in this world and move towards a place of racial justice. And so I think sometimes in K through 12 contexts of ethnic studies, we, the fear of institutionalizing it across districts can be that we're disconnecting the study of the histories of communities from this structural racial analysis. And so I think there's this important relationship that exists between critical race theory and ethnic studies, because ethnic studies, if we're just giving people historical content and we're not connecting it to this broader framework of understanding institutional and interpersonal racism that's tied to this history, we're not really giving students adequate understanding of how these kinds of histories have manifested.